Teeth whitening at home can be achieved while avoiding costly office visits and over-the-counter products promising instant whiteness, all at a high cost. When considering teeth whitening at home, it's important to think about the results you are looking for and how sensitive your teeth are. The two most popular forms of teeth whitening at home are made with all-natural products that can be found around your home, making the cost extremely low and the time frame all your own. These two methods contain an acid-based method and an abrasive-based method. The acid-based method can only be used once a week and should not be left on the teeth for more than 5 minutes, as excessive acid exposure can break down the essential and irreplaceable enamel that covers and protects your teeth. The abrasive-based method can be used daily for a variety of benefits, including teeth whitening. The abrasive-based method includes the use of 3 everyday household ingredients: coarse salt, baking soda, and hydrogen peroxide. These are mixed together to form a thick paste that is then used to brush the teeth well. The abrasive agents, salt and baking soda, scrub the surface of the teeth, removing stains, while the peroxide penetrates the surface of the teeth to allow deeper whitening. The compound is also great for breath freshening, germ killing, and keeping your teeth clean and healthy. Another great way teeth whitening at home method is to use a ripe strawberry mashed together with baking soda to create a thick paste. Apply this paste to your teeth and massage in with a soft bristle toothbrush. Leave the compound on your teeth for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes have passed, use your everyday toothbrush and toothpaste to remove the paste thoroughly. Use floss to get rid of strawberry seeds, if necessary. This method is great for whitening teeth, but should not be used more than once a week to avoid damaging your tooth enamel. Regardless of the method you use for teeth whitening at home, these are both great, inexpensive ways to whiten teeth in the comfort of your own home that can save you time and money. If you want a more powerful method that will quickly brighten your smile, you may consider buying a whitening kit that is designed to be used at home. These kits will work more quickly and give you a brighter smile.